Toyota Mark 10 Modified, JDM elegance meets personal expression. The Toyota Mark 10 is a name synonymous with Japanese luxury and performance, a four-door sports sedan that blends refined styling, a potent engine, and everyday usability. But for enthusiasts around the world, the real magic happens when the Mark 10 rolls into a custom shop. Welcome to the world of the modified Mark 10, where each build showcases a unique blend of JDM heritage, modern upgrades, and individual creativity. In this 1,600-word article, we'll explore how tuners and owners around the globe transform the Toyota Mark 10 into one-of-one masterpieces, without ever talking about how they handle on the road. 1. Why modify a Toyota Mark 10? Before diving into specifics, let's understand why the Mark 10 draws such devoted attention. Engine potential. Under the hood sits Toyota's famed 2GR-FSE 3.5 LV6, and in some variants, the 4GR-FSE 2.5 LV6 engines renowned for their reliability and tuning headroom. Chassis balance. A long wheelbase, front engine, rear-wheel drive layout, and subtle sporty suspension geometry create a canvas that looks purposeful, even in stock form. Luxury roots. Leather interiors, wood trim, and advanced features provide a high-quality starting point for enhancements. JDM heritage. Though primarily sold in Japan, the Mark 10 has earned global admiration thanks to its presence in import car shows and tuning events. With this foundation, tuners embark on projects that range from elegant, GT style, customs to high-octane drift machines or VIP-style luxury builds. 2. Exterior transformations, from subtle to show-stopping. A. Body kits and aero. Body kits are often the first modification applied to give a Mark 10 its own signature look. VIP-style kits. Brands like Rowan or Wald International provide full kits, front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and fender extensions, designed to lower the car's stance visually and accentuate its wide, low profile. JDM tuner kits. Builders seeking a sportier edge opt for TRD or Modelista parts, which introduce subtle spoilers, mesh grills, and aggressive bumper vents. Carbon accents. High-quality carbon fiber hoods, mirror caps, and trunk spoilers replace OEM panels for weight savings and textured contrast. B. Paint, wraps and finishes. Once the body modifications are in place, color and finish complete the transformation. Full color changes. Custom paint in unusual shades, matte olive green, pearl white, gunmetal gray, signals exclusivity. Multi-stage pearl or candy finishes shift hue in different light. Vinyl wraps. For experimental looks, pros choose wraps in gloss, satin, or metallic, often with custom graphics or geometric patterns along the flanks. Two-tone themes. Contrasting roof colors, black or carbon, hood stripes, and pinstriping highlight the car's lines and break up large body surfaces. C. Lighting upgrades. Modern lighting upgrades give the Mark 10 a contemporary presence. LED headlight assemblies. Projector-style lamps with sequential turn signals and DRLs from specialist tuners like AimGain. Smoked or tinted taillights. Subtle darkening preserves the Mark 10's elegant rear silhouette. Underglow and accent lighting. Discrete LED strips under the bodywork, footwell, and grille bring the car to life at night. 3. Wheel and stance, the finishing touch. A. Wheels selection. The right wheels define the build's character. Classic Japanese alloys. Work Emotion, Raise Volk Racing, or NKNT03 Plus M in 19 or 20-inch diameters impart motorsport cred. VIP-style wheels. Deep dish walled Lauren and Clement or multi-piece Asante and Lexani rims give maximum flushness and presence. Custom finishes. Anthracite, bronze, or polished lips with color-matched barrel paint unify wheels to body color. B. Stance and suspension aesthetics. While we're not discussing handling, stance is purely visual. Air suspension. Airlift performance or AccuAir systems let cars rest on the ground when parked, showcasing wheel fitment perfectly. Coilover setup. Adjustable height COI levers from Tainer BC Racing let enthusiasts achieve just enough drop to tuck wheels without rubbing. By achieving an aggressive, flush stance, the Mark 10 becomes an instant showstopper. 4. Engine bays showpieces. Power meets polish. Polished engine bays complement the car's exterior. A. Dress-up kits and details. Anodized caps and hoses. Radiator caps, coolant reservoir covers, and braided hoses in vibrant colors red, blue, gold add visual pop. Strut tower braces. Not for performance here, but the clean, painted or chrome braces across the firewall make the front end look purposeful. Engine covers. Painted or carbon-wrapped valve covers and intake plenums turn a functional space into a gallery. B. Intake and exhaust highlights. Cold air intakes with polished tubes and branded filters e.g., K&N, HKS bring vibrant color. Aftermarket exhaust tips. Multi-exit, polished stainless, or carbon fiber muffler tips from Gredi or Tomei accent the diffuser without changing sound focus in this article. Even without discussing power or sound, these modifications showcase care and attention. 5. Interior customization, the driver's sanctuary. Step inside, and you enter a world of bespoke luxury. A. Seating and trim, reupholstered seats. Leather or Alcantara in two-tone schemes, diamond-stitched patterns, embroidered logos or monograms. Carbon fiber and wood trim. Dashboard and door panel inlays replaced by open-pore wood, glossy carbon, or piano black. B. Ambient and accent lighting. LED interior kits. Footwell, door handle, and cup holder illumination in custom colors. Switch panels. Aftermarket aluminum switch pods for lighting, air suspension, or audio controls integrate seamlessly into the center console. C. Infotainment and tech. Upgraded head units. Touchscreen systems with smartphone mirroring, custom wallpapers, and vehicle-specific themes. Premium audio. Component speaker upgrades from Focal, Alpine, or JBL with custom enclosures in the doors and rear deck. These leader-level details ensure the cabin matches the show-quality exterior. 6. Cultural context and community. The modified Mark X thrives within a vibrant global community. JDM meets and shows. Events like Osaka Auto Messa or Wekfest Japan showcase Mark X builds that push creativity. Online forums and social media. Groups on Facebook and Instagram, #MarkXBuild, #JDM share progress, parts sources, and photo stories. YouTube channels. Influencers document build diaries, reveal, before and after, and connect tuners worldwide. This culture of sharing, collaboration, and inspiration fuels ever more daring builds. 7. Notable builds and inspiration. A few standout Mark X projects exemplify the range of possibilities. Ultimate VIP Bravo. A black and gold build with full-walled kit, gold-plated wheels, two-tone leather interior, and champagne bar in the trunk. Track-inspired GT. White body, TRD aero pieces, bronze Volk wheels, full carbon hood, and custom engine bay polish, blending show with a nod to sport. Retro Resto Mod. A pastel blue paint job, polished steel wheels with white walls, vintage Toyota badges, and interior re-trimmed in vinyl and leather for a 60s throwback. Each project highlights how the Mark X's canvas can support wildly different visions. 8. The DIY enthusiast and professional tuners. Whether you're a home garage hobbyist or a seasoned tuning shop, modifying a Mark X follows similar steps. Concept and theme. Decide your style, luxury VIP, JDM tuner, Restomod, or show queen. Budget and parts. Source body. Kits, wheels, interior materials, and small accessories. Installation and fitment. Mock-up parts, ensure gap alignment, and secure panels. Finish and details. Paint or wrap, polish metal, stitch upholstery, and program electronics. Show and share. Photograph under controlled lighting, create video content, and present at meets. With varied budgets and skill levels, Mark X owners continually push boundaries and share knowledge. 9. The future of modified Mark X. Though Toyota discontinued the Mark X in 2019, its aftermarket life is thriving. Swap culture. 1JZ and 2JZ engine swaps for that legendary JDM power appeal, showing up in engine bay builds without discussing power. Platform innovations. Converting to right-hand drive after import, or fitting modern LED clusters from newer Toyotas. Eco upgrades. Integrating mild hybrid accessory kits for enthusiasts who want a touch of modern efficiency. The Mark X modification scene continues evolving, ensuring the model remains relevant and exciting. 10. Conclusion. The art of personal expression. The Toyota Mark X Modified isn't just about faster lap times or sharper turns. It's about turning a premium sedan into a personal statement. Each build tells the story of its owner's tastes, influences, and dedication, whether that means leaning into ultra-luxury VIP styling, JDM sport flair, or artistic Restomod homage. From ground-hugging body kits and custom paint to hand-stitched interiors and bespoke wheel choices, the modified Mark X remains a spectacular showcase of creativity meeting craftsmanship. In a world of cookie-cutter builds, these cars prove that true automotive art lives where passion, vision, and attention to detail intersect. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a Mark X that reflects your personality and style, remember, the canvas is yours. The parts are out there. And the possibilities are endless. Ready to start your own Mark 10 transformation? Subscribe for in-depth build guides, part reviews, and community showcases, right here on your channel name.